I think, Rita, it starts with you got to be a good listener, okay? And you got to try to hear what they're trying to accomplish in the future, all right? And make sure that you're not talking more than your client. And you have to ask good questions, okay? You know, what do you want to accomplish for you and your family in the future? What does a business have to give back to you, okay? What are you willing to do and willing and not willing to do? So I think it's just you know, trying to get to know them on a lower level and build a platform, and each time you talk to them you kind of build onto that platform from what you've learned before and take good notes and repeat back to them to make sure that you've understood correctly what you've heard before. I believe it's because we spend more time with our clients both on the front end and the back end. The front end being we spend more time getting to know them. You know, what are their income, lifestyle, wealth, and equity goals? What does an ideal business look like, okay, from an investment, income, ownership level, lifestyle standpoint, and are they even viable, okay? In the back end being once we introduce them to business models, we stay involved with them, and we not only stay involved with them but the franchisors to make sure that their experience is what we want all of our clients. So I think the thing that sets us apart is the amount of time that we spend getting to know our clients, and that should transform into better selections of businesses and then a better overall experience for our client.